Hi, welcome to Dance Studio Manager tutorial, how to fix your emailer with Gmail. Is your emailer not working in DSM? You might be seeing an error message when trying to send emails. This usually happens because Google updated how they authenticate third-party apps. Here's how to fix it and get your emailer working again. First, log into the Gmail account that your DSM system uses to send emails. Click your profile picture in the upper right corner and choose Manage Your Google Account. You'll be taken to your Google account home. From the menu on the left, click Security. Then scroll down and click Two-Step Verification. Follow the prompts to enable two-step verification on your account. Once it's enabled, go to the App Passwords section. Enter a name like DSM Emailer and click Create. Google will generate a 16-character app password. Copy this password and keep it somewhere safe. You'll need it in the next step. Now, open your DSM system. On the left-hand menu, go to Settings. Under the Settings page, click Messaging. Scroll down until you find the section called Emailer. In this section, look for the field labeled Password, to use for SMTP authentication. Click Change and paste the 16-character password you copied from Gmail. Then click Change again and make sure to hit Save. And that's it. Your emailer should now be working properly with Gmail using the new authentication method.